Hello everyone. Here I would love to make you aware that how important Monday is. You all have heard a great saying which says that first impression is the last impression. Monday is the first day of a week. It is said that to achieve success in life, it is better to have a great start. Monday is the momentum for a week. Don't judge any day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. So here, we at Mahesh Tutorials, we are going to make a good start for your week by sharing some good thoughts, some inspirational stories. So stay tuned with us for Happy Monday. Thank you.